Hey there, and welcome to Gamer Math, where we make math simple, fun, and engaging by relating them to your favorite video games. Whether it's using long division to calculate item purchases in World of Warcraft, percentages to determine damage buffs in Overwatch, or fractions in Breath of the Wild's health system, I'll answer the age-old math student question, when will I ever use this in real life? And maybe you won't, but you can in video games. My name is Julian Stambouli. I'm an actor, filmmaker, and gamer with over a decade of math tutoring experience. And I'm really looking forward to putting all of these skills to use to make your life just a little bit easier. So check out the channel, and if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to help support these efforts. Hope you enjoy the channel, friends. Until next time, keep studying, keep gaming, keep learning.